I might have to just go watch my Warriors today, people. That apple's getting more interesting. I mean, we are a long ways away from the EMA. I mean, I'm tempted to go right here on this low. This the strength of this candle. Heading back to that EMA. We are a long way away from the EMA. Oh, okay. Oh, what is going? It don't know what it don't know what it want to do. Oh, flies are off the reservation now. Tesla's going high. You thought it's going higher. What we have setting up here is a low and a higher low. And again, we're a long way away from that EMA. Also, we're breaking back into this range for our range phase setup. This candle closes nicely. We may have to go long. Expecting that we're at least gonna come up to this EMA. We're gonna go with it. 3 minutes. It should pull up to the EMA. Minutes. 48 seconds. And I think we're gonna get a higher low after this. That was the perfect call. That was a range fade, which I rarely take. And it was a higher low. So it was a range fade and a higher low. And if this candle can't get above the MA, on the very next candle, we're gonna get another higher low. 22 seconds to hold on for the window. Hold on now, hold on. Pull up, pull up. Give us that higher low. We want the higher low next. We want the higher low above the MA next. 8 seconds. Good way to start the day. Perfect call. So again, that was a perfect range fade. I don't take them too often, but I mean, when they're there, you know, you got to take what's there. It's a good trade. Range fades, you know, some people only trade the range, so it's a good trade to take. That's why I really just wanted to show just this trade today, because I haven't hardly taken them, but that was like the perfect range fade. It was a range fade and a higher low, so I mean, I had to take it, and it worked out, you know. So that was a good trade. So that's a good example there of a range fade. We'll just leave it at that today. That was a great trade. Home run hitter. You know, we were never down. So, you know, I've had bad luck with range fades. I'll be honest. It's like I always take the one that loses, then the very next one wins. I don't know, but that one there, home run hitter. So that's a good range fade. Don't be scared of them. You know, I have to tell myself that too sometimes. Like, you know, don't be scared. Just because you've lost in the past, you're always gonna lose the setup. Range fades work off the top and bottom. So if you know you're in a good range, like we had 3, attempts there, where it bounced there, so we knew we were in a good range. Then when it broke lower, when it broke out and came back, I mean, as you saw the result. So range fades, that was a clear price action trade. Don't be afraid of them. If you got it boxed up and you see it continually bouncing at the same area, take that trade. But that's all. I just wanted to kind of go over that some more, about range fades, because they do work. They're great, when they're there. So if you got it boxed up and you bounced off the bottom or bounced off the top several times and you get a great signal candle, and it's kind of a counter. This is the only counter trend trading we do, is range fades, but it's actually not considered counter trend because it's a range. So but technically, well, in this case that was just a good trade, because Apple had been going up, so we took the fade that we were supposed to take, which was the buy in that situation. So we actually were with trend. That was just a great trade. Hey, let me just say it like, hey, great trade. So hope you learned something from that one. But we'll be back again tomorrow. As always, this is JD, and I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhider.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.